Hey guys, another video for our food and eating in Japan playlist. On this video we made recently, we showed you a robot delivering order and taking away plates, and we made the comment that the only things the robots don't do now is clean the table and cook the food. And someone made a comment and said, soon they'll expect you to clear the table and clean the table. So actually, that has been a thing in Japan for a really long time. So we're at a buffet restaurant, and there's the tray and plate return over there. So when we've finished eating, we're expected to take our tray and all our plates and cups and everything over here and divide them up, put the cups with the cups and the different size plates with different size plates, put the chopsticks in one container and the forks in the other container, right? All nice and neat. The customers have done all that, and then throw any rubbish down there into the appropriate rubbish bin, depending on what sort of rubbish it is. So, of course, there's no rule that says you have to, but that's what they expect you to do, and so that's what Japanese people do. Everybody does it. So here we are in a food court, and each restaurant has its own tray return. And, of course, the customers do it. That's what they're expected to do. So in this case, there's lots of different restaurants in this food court. So if you're sitting with a group of friends, someone might get something from one restaurant, someone might get something from another. At the end, you take your tray back to whichever restaurant it came from with whatever bowls and cups and things are on there. Put them in their tray return, and off they go. So again, you know, if you didn't do it, if you just got up and walked out, probably nothing would happen. It'd be unlikely anybody would say anything. Not much they could do about it, but because it's Japan, that's the right thing to do, so that's what everybody does. They take the tray back. Usually the customer says, thank you very much, and you say, goshoushou deshita, thanks very much for that, and off you go. So again, it does mean that in this case, really, all the staff are really doing is cooking the food. Often they have automatic ordering systems and automatic cash registers. So as McDonald's, of course, they don't have real cups and plates and things. It's only rubbish, isn't it? So you put your plastic in the plastic rubbish, and you put the paper in the paper, put your trays on the top, and then if there's any ice or water or drink left in your cups, you pour it down that hole there. Put the tray nice and neat on top and go back. And then elsewhere in the food court, they have this. So you can wash your hands, and if you're a short little person, you can wash your hands down there. It's for the kids. And then again, rubbish, burnable trash, unburnable trash. A little bit of an explanation up. This area is for self-serve dining. Please return your plates to the eatery and cutlery after you've done eating. It's a shocking bit of English, but anyway. So yeah, there's the hint. And then over here, free water, so you can get cup out of there, disposable cup, and you can fill it up with water. But have a look at this. What do you think this is for? This is for cleaning your own table, right? So you can clean your table before you sit down, which a lot of people do, and you can clean your table after you've finished, which a lot of people do. So you've got the customers cleaning the tables before they sit down and after they've sat down. Not always, but usually. And the result is, of course, nice clean eating areas maintained by the customers. Anyway, there was that. More videos coming soon.